A power bank for camping can change the way you adventure outside. These days camping tends to involve all manner of devices, lanterns, flashlights, cooking appliances, drones, and, of course, your phone, which means you need to pack along a way to charge them. That's where power banks come in. Power banks are available in various forms, with different models offering particular features that make them ideal for different purposes. In any case, the best power banks for camping always offer outdoor-ready durability and reliable operation, and we have recommendations for a few outstanding options you can count on when you head off the grid. Number 1. GoalZero Yeti 1000 Core. The GoalZero Yeti 1000 Core is an ideal power station for camping for several reasons. Its 983 watt-hour capacity will more than meet the needs of most campers, easily powering small devices and lighting for a long weekend without recharging. Plug in a solar panel or two, and it will keep those same devices going indefinitely. It offers some of the best craftsmanship on the market and is durable enough for hauling around in a vehicle and to and from your campsite. And its squared shape with inlaid handles makes for excellent portability. In terms of use, the Yeti 1000 Core offers plenty of plugs. Dual AC, USB-A, USB-C, and a single 12-volt car plug translate into plenty of port options, and its 1,200 watt output capacity is capable of powering just about anything you could need while camping. Its one drawback is that its recharging rate has fallen behind some competitors, but for use with typical devices, phones, drones, lights, etc. it will provide more than enough power for a long weekend. Number 2. GoalZero Sherpa 100 AC. A laptop power bank needs to provide two things above all else: AC power inversion, so that it is actually capable of charging a laptop in the first place, and solid capacity. The GoalZero Sherpa 100 AC delivers on both, plus a bunch of other camping-friendly features. Not only will it charge the average laptop twice, a phone 8 times, or a camera over a dozen times, but it can be plugged into a solar panel and recharged if you expect to stay off the grid for more than a couple of days. Multiple ports allow it to charge 2 to 3 devices simultaneously, and its build quality is absolutely outstanding. While the wireless charging doesn't always do what it's supposed to, many users report that the 15-watt wireless charging is realistically more like 3, every other function works perfectly. For a content creator on the go looking to power a laptop, camera, phone, drone, and other gear, the Sherpa is the ultimate portable pick. Number 3. Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro. No other portable solar power station on the market offers such an outstanding combination of portability, capacity, input/output capability, and solar rechargeability. Simply put, I love the Jackery 2000 Pro. It does pretty much everything you'd want of a medium to large-sized portable power station. While its 2,160 watt-hour capacity is huge, big enough to power a van conversion for 2 to 3 days, its boxed shape and relatively compact size make it easy to fit into your vehicle. It has plenty of ports and more output capacity than any typical camper could reasonably need. And, having knocked mine around a good bit while on the road, I can definitely attest to its durability. But if you're specifically interested in solar capabilities, that's where the 2000 Pro really shines. Capable of wielding 6 200-watt solar panels, it can charge as fast as 2 to 2.5 hours in ideal sun conditions. That's lightning fast. So if you plan on setting up camp and then leveraging the sun for a prolonged stay, you won't find a better option. Number 4. Chisa Solar Power Bank. With its fold-out solar panels and surprisingly large capacity relative to its size, this is a great power bank for off-grid device top-offs. For more humble solar purposes, say to keep a couple of devices charged while out in the woods for the day, or if you want a reliable way to charge up a phone in an off-grid emergency, check out the Chisa Solar Power Bank. Its 194 watt-hour capacity is surprisingly large for such a compact bank and will charge a phone around a dozen times. Multiple ports and effective wireless capabilities allow you to charge up to 3 devices at once. And its solid weatherproofing holds up under most conditions. Key here are the 4 fold-out solar panels. While their recharge rate is admittedly gradual, you more or less have to keep them resting in the sun all day for a decent charge. They work fine for keeping your devices topped off over the course of camping. Number 5. GoalZero Flip 24 Power Bank. Affordable yet designed with well-considered camping features, this offers high quality at a low price. GoalZero has created something special with the Flip 24. While it's exceedingly affordable, power banks don't get much cheaper than this. It's still a well-thought-out piece of puny camping equipment. Super compact, It's smaller than a deck of cards yet can throw a couple of charges into a phone, lamp, or GPS tracker. It also has an integrated USB tip that can be plugged into a solar panel, making it a great tool for gathering a bit of emergency power while off-grid. Some users say that charging via wall outlet, which requires plugging the USB tip into a wall adapter, can be a little tricky, but beyond that, this is a smart yet cost-effective power bank for bringing a little power outdoors.